Your money is down, the market's bleeding, and your mind is screaming. But what if the real danger isn't the market? What if it's your inability to stay calm? Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire in chaos. Epictetus was a slave. Seneca lost his fortune. And yet they all shared one thing. They never let fear rule their minds. In a world of financial panic, this ancient philosophy may be your most valuable asset.
In the midst of crises, when everyone else is panicking, the wise find stillness.
They understand that true strength lies not in fortune, but in the mastery of their minds. The teachings of these great thinkers resonate today, reminding us to breathe, reflect, and choose our responses wisely. As the world around you spirals, remember the real battle is within. Most financial losses are not from bad strategies, they're from bad reactions. In times of market drops, panic sets in, quickly leading investors to make impulsive decisions that further exacerbate their losses. Introducing Stoicism as the ancient mental software, it offers tools to remain grounded and focused when faced with modern money chaos.
Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot control and to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. By applying its principles, one can navigate the emotional storms of financial markets with clarity and resilience. This ancient philosophy encourages us to focus on rationality over fear-making informed decisions rather than succumbing to panic. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, teaches us to focus only on what we can control, to choose virtue over impulse, and to view adversity not as a defeat, but as an opportunity for growth. Today, its principles resonate profoundly with investors and professionals seeking resilience and clarity in a chaotic world. The teachings of Seneca remind us that true wealth is found in wisdom and virtue, influencing how we navigate challenges both personally and professionally. In an era marked by uncertainty and rapid change, embracing Stoicism can guide individuals toward making decisive actions rooted in calm and rational thought. In practice, investors and professionals are beginning to adopt Stoic strategies, maintaining composure in volatile markets and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term gains. This shift reflects a growing understanding that the wisdom of ancient philosophers can provide powerful tools for modern-day success. By cultivating self-discipline and emotional resilience, individuals can transform adversity into a stepping stone for growth and success. In a world where distractions abound, the principles of Stoicism offer a beacon of clarity, guiding us toward a more purposeful and fulfilling life. In the dark moments of the financial crisis in 2008, fear gripped the markets as panic sellers scrambled to offload their stocks, driven by a wave of anxiety that clouded their judgment. While countless investors rushed to sell in desperation, others remained composed, holding on to their investments with a steadfast mindset that ultimately rewarded them as the market rebounded. The stark contrast between panic-driven decisions and the philosophy of patience reveals how emotional overreactions can lead to costly mistakes, while a clear mind can open doors to opportunity. This clash of fear and reason highlights how one's mindset can shape outcomes. Those who succumbed to panic faced losses, while the disciplined thinkers emerged stronger, illustrating the profound impact of emotional intelligence in finance. As the world faced unprecedented economic turmoil, the lessons learned revealed that understanding one's emotions can be just as crucial as understanding market trends, guiding investors toward more rational decisions. In the end, the financial crisis served as a powerful reminder that amidst chaos, calmness and a strategic mindset can lead to resilience and ultimately greater success in the unpredictable world of finance. In times of market turbulence, it's essential to remember the 5 Stoic principles for investing in chaos. The first principle is the dichotomy of control, which teaches that while you can't control the market, you can control your actions and decisions. The second principle is premeditatio malorum, encouraging you to imagine the worst outcomes so you can diminish their hold over you. Following this, we have memento mori, a reminder to keep the inevitability of death in mind, which can help detach from the pain of temporary losses. Next is daily self-discipline, showcasing how small routines can build strong minds capable of navigating investment challenges. Finally, we arrive at purpose-driven action, emphasizing the necessity to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, aligning decisions with core values instead of fear. By practicing purpose-driven action, you learn to act based on your values and principles rather than being swept away by fear and panic.
These 5 Stoic principles offer a framework to navigate the investment landscape, especially during chaotic times. Mental tools can significantly impact how we navigate life. Imagine sitting quietly focusing on your breath when financial pressures loom large, creating a space for clarity and calm. Journaling about your thoughts and feelings before making significant choices opens doors to deeper understanding and insight. Establishing a personal Stoic investment rule helps ground you, ensuring decisions are made from a place of composure rather than panic. Redefining what loss means to you transforms those experiences into valuable lessons that fuel personal growth. Embracing the worst-case scenario allows you to confront fears head-on, turning anxiety into action. Stand at the edge of possibility like someone on a cliff, ready to take a leap into the unknown with newfound courage. With your Stoic investment rules clearly defined, you protect yourself from hasty decisions during moments of uncertainty. Each entry in your journal serves not just as a record, but as a powerful reminder that every setback is merely a stepping stone towards wisdom and resilience. Stoicism is not simply about inaction. It embodies the strength found in making measured and meaningful choices. When faced with crises, we find that they are not barriers but rather gateways to remarkable achievements. To truly inspire others as an investor, one must cultivate resilience that drives actions rather than merely reacting to circumstances. Embracing Stoicism allows for a deep sense of inner peace, enabling one to navigate life's challenges with clarity. In a dynamic workshop, passionate individuals come together to exchange investment strategies, demonstrating how resilience can inspire collective growth and success. A mentor stands before a group of attentive students, sharing powerful narratives of triumph through Stoicism, encouraging them to embrace life's challenges with courage. A helping hand reaches out to lift another, illustrating the support and solidarity that come from facing adversity together. You can't control inflation. You can't stop a market crash. But you can decide who you are when it happens. And that choice, that's what separates the weak from the wise. Be the calm in the chaos. Be the investor who thinks like a philosopher. Be the person who shares this with someone losing their way. Subscribe if you want to train your mind, not just your money. Like if this gave you perspective. Share this with someone who needs to breathe. The market doesn't define your worth. You do. In a world filled with uncertainty, staying grounded is paramount. Embrace the storms, for they reveal our true character. Cultivate wisdom amidst the noise, allowing it to guide your decisions. Reach out to those around you, offering support and perspective during turbulent times. Remember, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. When faced with adversity, rise above letting your choices define you. Together we can navigate the complexities of life, empowering each other to rise stronger. Every shared experience enhances our understanding. Take the time to mentor, to listen, and to learn from one another. This journey is not just about financial success, but about becoming resilient thinkers. As you forge your path, remember your worth is defined by your choices, not the market nor the chaos around you. Stand tall, embrace your journey, and inspire others to do the same.